In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Spotify music to your Canva presentation. This can really enhance your pitch, making it more engaging and memorable. We'll guide you through this process step by step, so let's get started and bring your Canva presentation to life with some great tunes. First, you'll need to open Spotify. You can do this on either your desktop application or through your web browser, whichever you prefer. Once Spotify is up and running, look through your playlists or discover some new music to find that perfect song that complements your presentation style and tone. This could be something upbeat to energize your audience, or perhaps a mellow tune for a more relaxed feel. Next, when you've found the song you want, it's time to grab that link. To do this, simply click on the three dots next to your selected song. This will open a menu with several options. Here, you'll want to hover over the Share option. Inside the Share menu, you'll see an option that says Copy Song Link. Click on this and your song's link will be copied to your clipboard, ready to be added to your Canva presentation. Now let's switch to Canva. Open your Canva presentation. We're assuming you've got a design set up where you'd like to introduce the music. To embed the Spotify track, look for the option that allows you to insert multimedia content. For our example, click on Embed. This might be found in the toolbar or through an insert menu, depending on the version of Canva you're using. With the Embed option open, you'll find a space to paste your copied link. Just click into that space and use your keyboard shortcut to paste, usually Ctrl+V or Command+V, depending on your operating system. After pasting the link, look for the button labeled Add to Design and give it a click. Voila! Your Spotify track is now embedded into your Canva presentation. This will create a dynamic element, allowing your audience to experience your content in a whole new way. Just make sure you're adhering to any copyright regulations when using music in public or shared settings. Remember, integrating music into a presentation can not only enhance the delivery, but can also help retain your audience's attention by engaging multiple senses. Feel free to test it and make sure everything plays smoothly. And there you have it, a simple way to make your Canva presentations more vibrant and impactful by adding Spotify music. Thanks for watching and happy designing.